Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how to connect any Samsung phone to your TV wirelessly. First thing that you have to do is make sure your smart TV has the Miracast feature for wireless connectivity. This is generally available in the device connection settings of your TV. So here we have turned on the Miracast feature. The second thing that you have to do is turn on the screen mirroring option on your Samsung phone, as you can see here. So once you turn on both the things, the TV will detect your Samsung phone automatically and your phone will get connected to your TV. If it asks for permission, you just have to authorize that. As you can see now, the phone screen is mirrored on the TV. It works really good and fast, as you can see. It works really good and fast, as you can see. Now I will open some apps to show you how it will perform. So here let's open the Flipkart app. So as you can see, it is working quite well. Now let's try another app, say the music player. Here I will play a sample song. So as you can see, the sound is coming from the TV, not from the phone. It means your phone audio is also being casted on the TV. Now let's open the video player and I will play a sample video.
क्या 4 साल पहले किसी ने सोचा था कि ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस की रैंकिंग में 142 से 77 पर आ जाएगा? भारत टॉप 50 में आने की और तेज गति से कदम रख रहा है। क्या 4 साल पहले किसी ने सोचा था कि भारत में ऐसी ट्रेन में
Now let's experience some gaming using the screen share feature. Here I will play the Subway Surfers game. It's just great. And works outstanding, as you just saw. Now let's try the camera app to see how it works in the screen. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos and updates. Take care.